Sabi ni John Medina, our brain naturally drifts attention every 10 minutes. Because we live in a world that's very distracted, it becomes more important for us to design for motivation and attention to happen. Ano yung mga eksena na pwede sa nating ipakita that might elicit interest and curiosity? No? So, assuming you're in a science class and then you're talking about changes in states of matter, and then you start off with a video like this where you ask students to observe what's happening. Here, an astronaut in space, in talking about, for example, gravity, paano kaya siya lumulutang, ba? Ano ba yung meron at ano yung wala? An intriguing situation, usually that is different from their experience or that is peculiar. No? Dito, tungkol sa fractions, you could show it through a GIF, you could show it through a diagram, you could show it through a concrete picture. This change in media keeps our learners' attention.
Jeepney fare is 15 pesos, but student discounts give you 20% off.
Yun.
Correct. How much exactly should you pay?
May kita mo dun sa pag-iisip nung nagbahagi na iniisip niya kung ano yung mga common experiences ng students. What are the things that they connect to, and how can we bring that into our discussion? No?